Come test drive the 2022 Cabriolet. The Audi Cabriolet. Solid German engineering. Smooth powertrain with a comfy interior will have you riding in luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, fog lamps, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.